Alright, so it's been a while since I've done a video about Android or anything related to smartphones. So in this video, I will tell you my pick of some essential apps that I think you should have on your smartphone. So as you can see here I have some wallpaper apps, icon packs, utility apps, and some entertainment apps. Now obviously there are more apps that I use apart from these, but I can't cover them all in one video, so I apologize for that in advance. And also in this video I'm not covering the popular apps like Instagram, Snapchat, B612, almost everyone uses them. So we'll be skipping all those popular apps in this video. Also, do let me know your favorite Android application in the comment section down below. And also I'm now on Facebook and Instagram, and you can follow me on Instagram, you can follow me on Facebook. I do post some pictures over here. You can see this is the Xperia XZ Premium. So do follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is TechGuyCharlie. Anyways, let's begin this video. Alright, so the first set of applications that I would like to go over are related to customization. So we have these wallpaper apps and we have these icon packs. Now I know before I begin this video you guys are gonna ask me, where did this live wallpaper come from? This one is called HexShaders, and there you go. And actually it's made up of different hexagons, so if I decrease the detail level you guys will be able to see it much more clearly. So it's made up of all of these different hexagons, and you can increase this detail level to make these hexagons smaller. And because this phone has such a high resolution screen, it looks absolutely stunning. You can see these are all little hexagons. And it doesn't end here. This app has different styles, like you have this meta balls, which is one of my favorites. You can set this as wallpaper and it looks really nice. And of course you can decrease the level of details to make it look more hexagonish, should I say. I prefer this at maximum. And you have different styles like Galaxy. This one is also my favorite. And you can increase the speed or decrease the speed, and this one is pretty cool. Awesome, right? Alright, so moving on, for my static wallpapers like the one which is currently set, I use two different apps. One of them is called Wallpapers for me, and these guys have a nice collection of high resolution wallpapers. You can select different categories from here. So to set a wallpaper, just tap on set and tap done. Wait for the app to set the wallpaper and you're good to go. And the wallpaper will be also downloaded to your gallery. So here we have the wallpaper, full resolution of course. And the second app is Wallpapercraft.com. Here you can see the name of the application, and I will put links down in the video description. You can download them from Google Play Store. And here also you can download the full resolution. Just tap on the wallpaper, select download and tap on original. You see the app will download the wallpaper in your gallery. You can access it from over here. There you go. Full resolution wallpaper has been downloaded, and these guys have a really nice collection. So this is also downloaded from the same app. And thanks to the HDR 4K display of the Sony Xperia XZ Premium, these wallpapers look absolutely stunning, and you can see the colors just pop right out of the screen. If you have been following my channel and if you watched the Sony Xperia videos, you might have noticed I have some custom icons applied, like album, music, video. Play Store icon is a little bit different. You can see the Chrome icon is different, and this is because I have custom icon packs installed on my phone. So on a Sony Xperia, you long press the home screen and go to settings, and let me change the icon size to large so you guys can see it much more clearly. There we go. So select icon appearance, and here you can select the different icon packs. Now one of my favorite icon packs is called Viral. Now this is more of a personal choice, so everyone is entitled to their own opinion. Let's try out Cyano icon pack. The same icon pack, but this is blue. So if you have a blue theme, this will suit you really nicely. You can see most of the icons are different. The music is a Walkman symbol now, even though this phone does not have a Walkman player. And this Freezies free is also nice. This one doesn't have all the icons, but yeah, it is nice. This is the one which I had selected earlier. Really nice. So let's move on to utility apps. So here my favorite is the Control Center app. So you can download this off Play Store, and you can see this little blue bar over here. This is actually the Control Center app. So no matter what you're doing on your phone, say for example you're browsing Instagram, and say you want to change brightness but you don't want to drop down the notification bar because you can't reach it with one hand. So all you gotta do is swipe in from your right hand side to the left, and you have all these different icons here. So here I can control my phone's ringer volume, I can control the brightness, change the screen timeout, and this is pretty cool. It works in almost every application. So here I have the torch, and you can see it turn on, clock. So let's launch that again. I can launch Chrome web browser. I can control my music from over here, turn Wi-Fi on and off, and so on and so forth. And I think this is pretty useful because if you're using a phone which has a big screen, and obviously I can't reach the top of the phone to drop down the notification bar. So this is a nice little shortcut if you want to access different stuff like change the screen brightness on the go. So if you own a Sony smartphone, you know these phones don't come with a pre-installed file manager. So for my file manager, I use Asus file manager. So this can again be downloaded on the Play Store. You can see this is the same file manager, but since I've applied those custom icons, the icon for this is different. And this one also has PC file transfer, so you can transfer your files wirelessly from a PC. And you have this hidden cabinet, you can hide your files. But overall, this is a really nice file manager, and I use this to transfer files from my internal storage to my micro SD card. So let's move on. For my VPN needs, I use Tunnelbear. You will need to register with Tunnelbear on their website, and they'll give you a secure, nice and secure VPN service. So a VPN is super useful if you want to access some websites which are blocked in your country. You can use a VPN to access them. So by default, Tunnelbear gives you 500 megabytes of free data in a month. You can upgrade this, you can buy additional data, but this is the VPN that I prefer. There are obviously free alternatives, but I do prefer a paid VPN versus a free VPN. So just to confirm that we are connected to UK, so I'm going to go to Google, and it should automatically go to google.co.uk. So there we go. And if we go to what's my IP, you can see my IP address is not located in India. Although I have selected UK as my location, it shows that I am in Finland, which is kind of weird. But anyway, Tunnelbear is my choice for a fast and secure VPN. Also, I have noticed that this phone is not capable of playing MKV files. Only the video shows up, the audio is not there. So you will need a third-party player to solve that problem, and this is where VLC Player comes in. VLC Player is awesome. You get this feature of streaming from your local network. So I had to turn the VPN off in order to make this thing display all the computers that are on my network. So these two are the computers that are running on the network. I can connect to these. I need to enter my username and password, which I will do just now. Alright, so once you've entered your username and password, you'll be able to see all of the files and folders that are shared on your network. So for example, here's the D drive of this computer. So it will not display any photographs, but it will play videos. For example, here I have some videos that are on my PC. So this is right now streaming directly from my network. So here you can see this is pretty awesome. You can stream your videos directly off your PC if you share them properly, and you won't even need to copy the files physically on the phone. So VLC is pretty darn awesome, and it also plays almost any file format, be it audio or video. If your phone does not come with a built-in screen recorder, don't worry, there's a third-party app on the Play Store called DU Recorder. Now DU Recorder is probably the best screen recorder in the Play Store. So here you can see in the settings we can record in 1080p. You can change the recording resolution, change the video quality, and you have the usual stuff. And probably the best part about this app is that you can record without a watermark, and this is a free app. So here you can see we start recording. There you go, we are now recording the screen. Okay, so let's stop the recording now. Cool, right? Now you can see the recording has been saved on the in the album app. So there you go, now it is playing. You can hear my voice. Alrighty, so moving on, we have night mode. So you know that these screens emit blue light, which can cause disruptions in your sleeping pattern. So once you turn on this night mode, you can see the color tone of the screen changes to warm white, or it is slightly more yellowish. So this slightly yellower tone can reduce the amount of stress which blue light causes to your eyes. And I like to use this at night. Daytime I usually keep it off because the colors are not accurate. But yeah, turn this on at night and you'll see the screen is slightly yellowish. And yeah, this does reduce strain on your eyes. You can turn it off from the notification bar and it goes away. And next up we have the Ampere app. I really love this app. Here you can see the different battery stats, how much voltage the battery is supplying, what is the temperature of the battery, your battery health, battery level, and you'll see how much current your phone is drawing. So if I unplug it from the charger, you'll see how much current we are currently getting out of the battery. And when the phone is charging, it will display the amount of current which is going into the battery. So we're draining at about 160 milliamps, which is quite low. We are at 28.2 degrees Celsius on the temperature. Alright, finally let's move on to the entertainment apps. So here we have Text Converter, iFunny, 9gag, and Curiosity. So first off, Text Converter. Now, have you ever been in a situation where you give your phone to your friends to click some pictures, take a look at the internet, or to play some music, but unfortunately they don't do that and they open your messaging app and read all your confidential and personal information? So this Text Converter app will help you maintain some privacy. Let me show you how. So here we can type our message that we need to encode, our confidential message. So you're gonna type, "Hey, how are you?" Cool, right? And you should ask your friend, whoever you're sending the message to download the Text Converter app, the exact same app. So what we gotta do here is select copy, go back to the messaging app, paste it here and send it to your friend. And there you can see I have got the message over here. Now again I have to copy this, go back to the text converter, and make sure that you and your friends have selected the same method, ASCII. So here I can paste the message and the message gets decoded, and whoever uses your phone won't be able to recognize what you have written over here, thus enabling confidentiality. It's pretty cool. And this app also has another feature called barcode. Okay, so here you can see I have copied and pasted a paragraph from the internet in this text converter in this second option which says barcode. Okay, so now we are going to encode this data. So here we have a little barcode, and you can try this out yourself in this video itself. So ask your friend to open up the text converter, and again you can share this as a picture. I think it'll get saved on the internal memory, but anyways, we're going to decode it on another phone. So we're going to use the camera. And here we go, we have the exact same text that was originally there on the phone. and I seriously love this app. So there you go. Neat. Another app that I think everyone should have on their Android phones is Curiosity. Now this app called Curiosity gives you short form, easy to read articles. So let's wait for it to load. So here we have an article which says most people are lousy at matching pictures of faces. So let's go ahead and read that. So here we have the full article. You can see they'll add some pictures, not that lengthy though. You can read this in about 5 to 10 minutes. And then you can discover new articles over here. For example, let's go to future of driving. Here we have different articles. Cool, right? So for my daily dose of memes, I use iFunny and 9gag. Everyone loves memes, don't they? So iFunny, you might have seen this application in my speed test videos. You have all of these awesome different memes, even animated ones. Cool, right? And then obviously 9gag is always there. Alright guys, I think that concludes this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And again, thank you for watching, and do stay tuned for more videos like these. And I'll see you guys next time.